Can you succeed at intermittent fasting? Yes. And I'm going to share with you my tips on how to do it right now. So, can you succeed at intermittent fasting? The answer is yes. I'm doing it right now and I'm succeeding. My proof is in my weight loss so far. Here are my tips and tricks for doing the same. Number one, goal. Keep that goal in mind. Whenever you're in those tough moments and you don't want to do it anymore, or it feels like it's too tough, or you just want to eat when you know you're not supposed to, keep that goal in mind. Remember, why are you doing this in the first place? Is it for health reasons? Is it for physique reasons? Is it for whatever? Keep that goal in mind. Number two, routine. Make yourself a routine out of this. Do it the same every single day. That's what's so easy about this, actually, is that it should be the same every single day. You're eating from, in my case, 2 to 7. That's it. Then every other hour of the day, I'm just drinking water, drinking coffee, maybe some tea. That's it. 3, plan your meals. You gotta plan your meals out, otherwise you're gonna eat junk. I know that that's what I do anyway. I go to the refrigerator, I'm starving, I'll grab the first thing that I see. If I plan my meals out beforehand, which is what I've been doing, I can eat a lot healthier and portion controlled. And 4, hydrate. Make sure you're drinking water. It'll help fill you up and it'll make you just feel good. It's good for you. Chances are you're not drinking enough water anyway. I know I wasn't. So, what did I eat today? Today, I had my water and some coffee. Then I had a meal bar and then leftover Chinese food, which was chicken and mixed vegetables. And then for dinner, I had some shrimp with coconut milk risotto and bok choy. And thus far, I've lost another 2 pounds since yesterday, making it 8 pounds in 6 days. If this is the type of content you like, make sure you hit that like button. I just want to thank all of my subscribers and thank you for watching. If you've gotten this far, consider hitting the subscribe button. Your comments really mean a lot to me and they keep me going. So please remember, comment your comments down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.